Hello everyone, and in this video I will guide you how you can add payment method on TikTok. So start by opening up TikTok and click on profile on the bottom right corner, and then you gonna need to click on three bars on the top right and go for settings and privacy, and then you just gonna need to go for balances, and then you just need to click on your live reward. You can also add coins if you want to go with it. The payment method or adding your payment method process will going to be similar. You just need to click on the recharge, and then this will take you to this kind of page where you just need to continue the on-screen instructions and add your particular payment method to purchase. Now in case you want to withdraw, you just need to click on live reward, which is in your currency, and if you have this option enabled, you just need to click on payment method on the top right corner, and you just need to add your particular preferred payment method, whatever it is, whether it's the Payoneer, PayPal, or any other popular payment method. You can also add debit or credit card, it's up to you, and you're good to go. So that's the way of how you can add payment method on TikTok.